I just pushed code to GitHub from my phone, no laptop, no desktop, just using Termux. Here is exactly I set it up and I have done it in under 5 minutes. So let's begin. So first, let's upgrade our Termux and install everything we need. To update, we have to type pkg update. Okay. It will take a while. Mine is almost updated. Yours might take a few minutes. Okay, now it's up to date. Now we can do pkg upgrade also. It might ask you for some permissions to install something. You can choose the option as yes, so it makes our Termux more stable. Okay, so everything is updated and upgraded. Next is to install our things. So first of all, we have to install git install git, and with that we have to install GitHub. That's the CLI for our GitHub. So we will do hit enter. Yeah. So Git and GitHub is installed. Now, what we have to do, we have to set up our global identity. Okay. Yeah. Before that, if you haven't set up your storage in Termux, you have to do that. For that, you have to type Termux setup storage. And once you hit enter, it will give a pop-up and yeah, uh, your storage will be you will give access to internal storage to Termux. Okay. Now let me just clear this so that you can see everything properly. Okay. Now next thing, our Git is installed, our GitHub CLI is installed. Now we have to do the configuration. Okay. So to do that, you have to do git config -- global user dot name. It will give your name, and then we have to do user dot email. Okay. So our configuration is done. Okay. Now all our local setup is done. Now we have to log into our GitHub. To do that, we have to use gh auth login and hit enter. And see here, you have to select the GitHub and select the HTTPS options and log in with the web browser. Okay. So here they will give a code. You have to remember or copy this code. I don't think I will be able to copy, but from phone you will be able to do that. And once you enter, it will open this link to your browser. Let's wait for that. Yeah. Continue. And here you have to type out that code. It's A013454C. 4 and C. Okay. Then click on continue. Once that's done, you have to open your Termux again, and within few seconds you will get a confirmation. Let me check whether we have provided the authorization. Yeah, we have to go do the authorization also here. You are all set. Now let's open our Termux, and yeah, for me it's showing you were already logged in, as I was logged in previously also. For you, it will show you are successfully logged in. Okay. Now, what we have to do, I have already created one repository in our GitHub. We will clone that repositories, add some files to that repository, and then push to GitHub again. Okay. Now, I will do one thing. I will create a new folder, GitHub test, and I will move inside that folder. Okay. GitHub test 2, I will go. Let's move cd GitHub. Okay. We are in the in GitHub test 2. Okay. Now what I will do, I will go again back to our GitHub account, and here is this that repository. I have created this private. Okay. Now I will do copy this link. Okay, and I will clone this repository here. Let's do git clone and I will paste that URL. Now if I do let me first do clear, and if I do ls, you can see Technocraze test1 is there. Now we will go inside that this repositories, and we will do ls. You can see hello.md file is there. Okay. Here also that hello.md file is there. Okay. Now we will create new file named as termux.md. Okay. So to create a file and write into and file, you can do echo. I will do I am writing this from termux. Okay. And the file name will be, we have to do this arrow and file name. I will do termux.md. Okay. If I do ls, sorry, ls, and you can see termux.md file is created. If we do cat means to read that file, you can see I am writing this from termux is available in that file. Okay. Now let me do just clear ones. Now if we type git status, it will show which files are tracked, which files are not tracked. Okay. So this termux.md is not tracked. Now we will add this file. So git add dot, I will do dot, it will add all the files. For now it's just termux. Now if we do again git status, you can see branch is up to date, but this changes needs to be committed. Okay, so we will write a commit message, git commit dash m a commit from the next. Okay, now if I hit enter, our commit is done. Now we will push these changes to our GitHub account. So for that we have to type git push. Okay, so this is pushed. Now if I do git status again, you can see our branch is up to date, nothing to commit, working tree is clean. Okay, now if I again go back to our GitHub account, you can see that termux.md file is there. And if I open this, let me back and open this termux.md file, you can see I'm writing from this termux is committed here. And that's it. Your phone is now a full Git workstation. You can write code anywhere, buzz cafe, or you can even write 2 a.m. By lying on your bed. In next video, we are spinning a real web browser server from phone itself inside our Termux without using any clouds or without paying anything. Smash like, subscribe, and I will see you there. Bye bye.